In this video, we're going to show how to create a 3D painting in Vectorworks. In addition to the ability to convert an image into an image prop or map an image to a planar object, you can simply import the image into Vectorworks and rotate the bitmap object into position in 3D. In this example, first we will import an image for the painting. Go to the File menu, choose Import, and select Import Image File. Then simply locate the image you wish to use and click Open. In the Import Image dialog box, you can choose the compression for the image. In most cases, you will want to choose the compression method that provides the smallest file size, unless you encounter issues with image quality. Here you can see the imported image. Next, we need to create a frame for the picture. First, we will switch to a 3D view. You may have noticed that the image appears to be lighter in this 3D view. This is because the default wireframe render mode has a 40% fill opacity in 3D views. This can be modified by going to the View menu, selecting Rendering and Wireframe Options. To create the picture frame, we will use the Extrude Along Path command. Here, I have already brought in a profile from the Copper Beech Millwork resource file, available with Vectorworks Architect or Designer. You can also draw a profile using the Polyline tool. Next, we need to create the path object. We are going to match the size of the path with the imported image, so the image does not need to be resized. Using the Rectangle tool, draw the path using the snap points of the imported image. Next, snap the profile to the edge of the rectangle. Now, with the path and the profile selected, use the Extrude Along Path command in the Model menu to create the frame. In the Extrude Along Path dialog box, use the toggle buttons at the top to highlight the path in red if it is not already highlighted, and check Fix Profile. This maintains the relative position and orientation of the profile with respect to the path. Finally, click OK, and as you can see, we now have a 3D frame for our painting. Now we will nudge the image away from the base of the frame. This will make sure that the image is not concealed by any other geometry. Next, convert the objects into a symbol by going to the Modify menu and selecting Create Symbol. Name the symbol, uncheck Change 2D Objects from Layer Plane to Screen Plane, and then click OK. Finally, we will place the painting symbol on a wall. Using the Set Working Plane tool and the Align to Plane tool, you can quickly move the symbol from the ground plane to the surface of a wall. In a 3D view, set the working plane to the surface of the wall, and then activate the Align to Plane tool. With this tool active and the symbol selected, we just need to click on 3 points of the painting symbol to set the plane. The first point of the painting we select will align with the origin of the working plane we set previously. And now the painting symbol is perfectly aligned to the surface of the wall. As you can see, it is now easier than ever to create a 3D painting in Vectorworks. This technique can be used to quickly customize your interior renders. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit kbase.vectorworks.net for more video tech tips and other technical info. Thank you, and have a great day.